scared? Let's see the same scene again.
Suddenly, it doesn't scare you anymore. Because in horror, what you see is half the nightmare. What you hear is the real weapon. Directors in movies tend to use something called infrasound, which is sound of very low frequency around 20 kilohertz. These sounds you can't hear them but you can feel them. This is why they are actually making your body panic and building up the intensity. But the real weapon is the silence. So your body is trying to actually set up a situation in which it is in the fight and the flight mode. Then comes absolutely the extreme point of the climax, which is the screech sword, and it kind of starts building up on you. And that is why at that moment it fears and it scares you the most. So next time, if you are feeling scared, don't just close your eyes, pop your ears. For more such stories, follow me.